Okay, so we are browning this organic grass-fed pasture-raised beef with green onion in butter. We will later combine this with the egg noodles and all the other ingredients. I'm really excited for this recipe because it's the first time trying it. Okay, so we've combined the cottage cheese, sour cream, cream cheese, minced jalapenos into the ground beef green onion mixture, as well as we've put the tomato sauce. Gonna combine the noodles, then we're gonna bake this up, and I'll show you what it looks like when that is done. Yeah. Alright, perfect measurement, mashallah. So we're gonna put this in the oven. I just wanted you to see the color difference between when you cook pasta sauces and such on the stove and then bake them. Obviously they become more rich when you bake them. The second step, some people don't know that, so just like to show you the before and after. So I'm excited. Let's see later how it turns out. Alright, I took this out the oven, took the lid off, I let it sit for about 15 minutes to sort of condense before taking the lid off. Really is quite unique. I'm gonna stir this up and do the taste test. Alright, so this is kind of what it looks like when you scoop it. So you can see the layers and whatnot and how the colors and everything blended. I really like the flavor. I'm glad I used jalapenos and not green bell peppers because it adds a bit of spiciness to the creamy richness, and man, I really like this. Obviously tomorrow the flavors will marinate even more, heat up leftovers, and it'll even be better, I'd say. Pasta always is excellent the second day as well. So here's a close-up look at it. It's nice and hot. Man, that's good. This is a great cookbook. Mashallah, I hope you like the recipe. I'll put it on the Instagram feed, Bertari Times, and in the description box. Have a good day.